Hey guys, this is Debbie number purple, blue, orange, green, red, orange, fifth. This is the fifth one in my color series or whatever that I'm doing that's inspired by Doll Repaint Outlet List. The channel below and the repaint that is the color I'm doing for each of these videos. Today's gonna be orange, and this is Ike's coffee in the little Pocahontas cup. If you have any non-dairy coffee creamer recommendations, you can leave them down below, because I've tried like one or two, and I've so far only really like one a lot. So yeah, today's gonna be orange. I kind of have an idea what I'm doing, but I'm kind of don't read it too. Like, I know what colors I'm gonna use, but oh yeah, and my face, I have foundation on, and my eyes are primed. But yeah, I'm gonna start with the Zodiac palette by Colourpop and go into the Aries with a fluffy brush. Just put this all over the top lid area. I also just pat some more on with my finger, and that's the top lid done. That's all we're gonna do on the top lid. So now I'm gonna take this Sigma Cream D Couture palette and then go into Ginger Pumpkin. And put that all over the little lash line. Like orange just everywhere now. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush and go into this shade in the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. This is like a burnt orangey shade. One downfall of this rainbow palette is it doesn't have a true orange. Like, this one's more corally, and then this one's like a burnt orange. So it doesn't have a true orange, but whatever. I'm gonna take this right up against my lash line on the lower lash line. I cleaned this off and I just went over it, like, just blending things out with no extra stuff. And I'm actually going to do a wing liner with brown. Like, when I first started this series, I was to allow myself to do like liner if I wanted like black or brown. But this is the only look that I'm gonna do it in, so it's like, so yeah. I'm just skip over this part because wings just take me like 3 to 5 minutes, and I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do some brown mascara, and also gonna put this in my waterline, this Marc Jacobs highliner in Orange Crush. I just feel like when you have just one color on top, it really needs something to make the lash line pop a little more and add a little bit more interest. So now I'm gonna take Milani Beige Blush in Luminoso, put that on my cheeks. I'm going to take this ColourPop highlighter in Like to Watch. I love this highlighter so much. I'm so glad I bought it. I think they described it as a peach with a gold shift, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. I cleaned off the flat brush and to pop the highlighter in my inner corner too. And for lips, I'm gonna use Jeffree Star's flamethrower. It's like, I almost called it firecracker, but no, it's called flamethrower. I really love these bright oranges. I have two. They're like almost exactly identical, so. Now I'm also going to add a little bit of this gloss. This is Wet n Wild Color Icon, one of the Zodiac glosses in Leo. So I'm going to pop this on top. It's mostly clear with like orange and pink sparkles on it. Although it looks like it's bright orange in the tube, is pretty clear. Oh, I'm dropping it. It's fine, it didn't drop far. I'm like sitting on the floor, so it's like just like this. Like there's like only that much room to the floor. So yeah, here's a finished look. Finished orange look. I really like this look though. It's really pretty. I really love this highlighter though. This highlighter is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so happy about this year. But yeah, this is orange. I think it looks really nice, and it makes my blue eyes pop a lot, because orange and blue are color opposites, so they just make each other stand out. But yeah, I'm hoping you guys like these videos, because there's only one more after this one, which is yellow, and I'm excited for that one. And I'm excited to like kind of end the series, but like maybe I'll do more in the future. Like maybe I'll do like a brown one and like a pink one and maybe a gray one. I don't know. I don't know what other colors I could do. I could do the same colors over again and try to do like different looks with them, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, I'm hoping you guys like these videos because I really liked them. And I have one more after this, so excited to do that. But my eyes are just so popping right now. I'm just like, wow. Like my eyes and my lips are just like the face stuff is kind of a little subtle, like luminous, so it's just subtle a little bit, but it's pretty. Okay, so bye guys. See you in another video, hopefully. Bye.